This is a review of the OxyLED dimmable COB or chips on board smart LED desk lamp. It's a model T10. Inside the box you'll find the instruction manual, the AC wall power supply, and this beautiful stylish lamp. It's amazing in that it's fully adjustable in a gooseneck style with this large flat neck. It's very stylish, very nicely done. This is sort of a soft rubberized finish, and you can tilt the lamp at different angles to improve the light to the work area you're trying to light up, and it's highly adjustable, very nice. The AC power adapter itself will operate on 100 to 240 volts AC and 50 to 60 hertz, so it is suitable for overseas use as long as you have a plug adapter. Its output is 12 volts DC at 1 amp, and it is UL listed. The length of this cord from the tip to here is 5 feet or 60 inches. As you look at the lamp from the back side, back here you'll see the input port for the AC power line. On the inside here you'll see this slide mechanism, which really is just a place where you put your finger. It's sensitive to your finger. Here is the on-off button, and you can slide it up and down and brighten and dim the light. The lamp has 7 levels of brightness. In the head you can see the lens diffuser over the LEDs. When I plugged in, I'll turn it a little bit so you can see it better. You'll see a blue LED that's lit up to tell you where the power switch is at. When you reach forward and touch that, the light comes on at its lowest level. This light is really bright. I can move it up here, and you can see the LEDs light up on the base, and now you can see the full intensity, and it is really bright. At the base you can see the LEDs I'm talking about. They're all lit up now, which means it's on its brightest intensity. And if I touch it and wipe it down, the lamp goes down and you see the LEDs going off. And now they're all the way off. I'll do it again, all the way back up. And you can see the LEDs indicate the intensity. You can see one of the angles of the light is completely adjustable. You can adjust it down at a right angle to the table or move it up. The choice is yours. And like I mentioned before, you can tilt it to direct the light where you want it to go. What I want to point out is I'm filming this in a very bright room. I've got a whole wall here on my right hand side that's all glass with sunlight coming in, and I've got a chandelier type of light above the lamp, and you can still see the intensity of the lamp on the desk, so it is quite bright. What impresses me is this lamp is extremely stylish and nicely designed. It would go good with any decor of an office, for example. It features 7 levels of lighting, as I've mentioned, and the LEDs inside of the lamp have a 50,000 hour LED lifetime. That's equivalent to their statement of around 20 years of actual use. I like how the adjustable gooseneck part of the lamp allows you to aim it where you're working and get the best light for your work task. The nice thing about these LED lights is there's 0 UV radiation and no mercury, and also I've checked it out, there's no glass to break, which means it's safer around children. One of the things you'll notice with the human eye is that no matter what the level the lamp's set on, it's not flickering. That's because of sophisticated circuitry, or what it means by chips on board, to control the pulse wave frequency driving the LEDs. It's controlled to eliminate that flicker, which can create eye stress. So this is a very nice lamp for an office, a desk, for a reading area. Very stylish. The benefit of using this LED lamp is that even on full intensity, it uses about 1/3 of the energy of an incandescent bulb, and about 90% less energy compared to a compact fluorescent bulb. It has a nice lens diffuser, as I mentioned, and it utilizes solid state technology for a long life. You can see the lamp on in our bathroom. We've got the lights off. You can see how bright it is. It literally is lighting up the whole room. And I have a book laying underneath of it, and it's a perfect reading lamp. There's no flicker, it's white light, it's crystal clear. I said white light, it's actually slightly yellowish too. It's more like an incandescent bulb. You can see the lamp on in its brightest mode. I've got this book under it. Actually the hot spot of the light's out here, so as you can see it's very bright. I'm going to move it down 1 level. Next one. Next one. Next one. That's 3 LEDs. There's 2 LEDs. There's one LED. So you can see it's still pretty bright even with one LED. So you have a lot of control there. And there's all the way off and all the way up to back to full brightness. So you have a lot of control there. Overall, I have to tell you, I really like this lamp. It's beautifully designed and stylish. I like how it works. I like this slide control here for the brightness. It's very easy to adjust and set up. And it's at every level that you have it set at. As you look at this, you can't see any flicker at all. More importantly, you don't see any flicker in the camera. Cameras are very susceptible to picking up LED flicker. You see none. That just shows how good the control of this lamp is. I like it. I like its adjustability with the gooseneck. It's beautiful. I rate this as a 5-star product. This product review was done by jjceo. I'd like to tell you that I received a sample for evaluation, and I promised that if I gave a review that it would be fair and honest.